So far, we have learned about the collections in the step 4, where we understand the way how we can prepare the collections like list in array, dictionary, hash table, hash set. So everything we learn about the collections in the last videos. Now coming to the step 5, we are completely concentrate on the way how we secure the members in a class to the other classes. At the same time, how we can encapsulate the members of a class, how it will works, and how we can give the reference of one project to the other project by using the assemblies. So everything we will learn about in this step 5. Welcome to the step 5.